Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a TradingView screener. First, open TradingView and locate the Screener tab, usually found at the bottom of the page or under the Products tab. Next, select the market you wish to analyze, such as stocks, forex, or crypto. Finally, choose your preferred time frame, like daily or weekly, to align with your trading strategy. This initial setup is crucial for effective market scanning. Now let's customize your screener. Click the blue Filters tab to add criteria like price, volume, or technical indicators such as RSI. You can set specific values, for example, filtering for stocks with a price above $1 or a daily volume exceeding 500,000 shares. Combining multiple filters helps you pinpoint assets that perfectly match your trading strategy, whether for momentum or reversal setups. Once you've created a powerful screener, you'll want to save it. Click on the screener's name or the Save Screen option to store your custom filters and column layouts as a template. You can easily rename or duplicate these templates for different strategies. TradingView also allows you to export your screener results to a CSV file, which is great for detailed offline analysis or record keeping. For advanced users, explore the Chart View feature to see your filtered assets displayed as a grid of charts, offering a visual perspective on the data. Remember to adjust the auto-refresh settings to every 10 seconds or 1 minute for the most current market data. This ensures your screener is always showing you the latest opportunities. And speaking of quality, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you. Mastering these features will significantly enhance your market analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.